What's up again, YouTube? Let's master the NCH software. I'm back again with another Photopad tutorial where we will be adding this superhero in a very scientific area. We're adding that person to this area, or this area with those lights, and we have to make this person a little bit red so that she can blend with this image. So obvious, the first thing we have to do is to remove the background of this image. Then we have to go to here, then we click here, then we click delete. Okay, click Ctrl D. Okay, we are done. Click this triangle, then we take this person. I'll take this lady. Then we have to place this woman. Okay, let's decrease the opacity a little bit. Then let's take this image. Decrease opacity. Go to filters, we increase a little small boost, small boost. Let's put a little bit of the amber. So we cannot make it bright because this image was taken only thing. This was super simple. And then that's all. So the first thing you have to do is to remove the background of an image. After removing the background of an image, you paste this woman to the image, which you will have to blend here with the background of the image, and then you put a little bit of an overlay image, a red overlay of the image, because it is safe to say there was a fire on this image, then the firefighters visited the area, then this woman is also wearing a red things. Someone can say, okay, this is the woman, this woman is here, but at the same time this is not that professional. It's for the beginners, people who are here to start, who are still new on Photopad. I will be dropping more videos which are very professional very soon. So please guys, please don't forget to subscribe, share the video, and leave the comment and tell me what you would love to learn, because I don't want to end up like repeating the videos over and over again. So I think it will be better if you guys tell me what you love to see on this channel. Thank you so much.